This can be used for other things regarding game inventory as well, like name, string, or item weight. Yep. Anything you want to make abstract, you can place on the item and force people to implement. Do you say item.shoot wouldn't work even if the item was set to gun? It would. See, watch this. If I change this type to a gun, you know what's going to be funny? Right now, this line has a compiler error. Okay, everybody good with that? This line has a compiler error.
If you leave item
now,
there.
Yeah, if I leave item here, now that line has a compiler error. But watch this. If I change the variable type to gun, this compiler error actually goes away. But
you made some very
this and this, actually, hold on, give me my red. So right now, this and this have a compiler.
Very good.
And this is okay. And the reason is we cannot implicitly convert an item into a gun. Because although a gun is always an item isn't necessarily a gun.
Exactly, that's the key thing, what you just said right there. An item is not necessarily a gun. Could be a chair, could be potion.
Yeah, like you see right here, we say gun item equals inventory at 2. Well, in this example, a computer chair is in the third index.
And take a look over on the left-hand side, compiler side. If we look at chair, it's inherited use and display, but it sure doesn't have shoot.
Right. So there's no way for the compiler to know that these two conversions are compatible.
And we will get into a detailed look a little bit later on at a couple of different ways that you can go about making this work right. Nelson's already thrown up one example quickly earlier, but I don't want us to get bogged down into that right now. This isn't the time. Right now it's just getting a basic understanding of what's going on with base objects, parent objects, child objects.